Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change theme on Adobe Firefly. In Adobe Firefly, theme usually means the style, mode or visual look of your design, like aesthetic, dark, cinematic, minimal, etc. Unlike some apps, Firefly does not have a simple theme switch button. Instead, you control the theme using prompts and style settings, and this actually gives you more creative control because you can design any theme you want. First, open any of your browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down firefly.adobe.com and enter it, and make sure you have logged into your account already. So once you get into this interface of your Adobe Firefly, what you can do is you need to click to this top right corner here of your profile account, and over here you need to scroll a bit down until you find to this preferences. Here you can click into this preferences, and under this preferences you'll find to this color theme. Select to this color theme that you prefer. Simply you can select to this light or the dark, and the dark aesthetic you can click onto this dark, and this is how you can change it, and click onto this confirm here. And changing the theme in Adobe Firefly is all about how you describe and adjust your design by using the right prompts. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.